You see when me tell you no say, Alkaline, I got take with 2026.
A few moments later.
Here's 3 stats why Alkaline is the front runner for dancehall.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Alkaline album drop and it day upon way. NPT. What yo? Well, listen to the album and it sound alright. It sound good. The only thing when me disappointed about, me I expect a couple more hit song. You see me?
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
2,000 years later.
Gotcha, bitch.
Boy, Gaza fans, me go listen to the Kartel album again. And at the same thing, the album mid. And it come like you don't even sister the same song the man voice over all the time.
One eternity later.
There's no introspection, there's no maturity, that's the same thing he tell you about. G-Wagon and Range Rover. Like, bro, we don't want to hear about that, dog. You're 50 now, we want to hear mature lyrics so we can relate to as fans. The song them just weak every time.
Damn!
A few moments later.
When me hear say Kartel drop a new album, God and Time, I say, yeah. See a album I know me I can listen to. Yeah. See a album I know Kartel drop a album I know when me can beat out in my car every day.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The man drop the album named God and Time. I'm listening to the title track and I say, yeah. And then I be a under girl and be a flossing and be a this and that.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them.
People who are going, they don't know one Media Fox man, you know. Yo, big up the people, them respect for the support. You see it, you don't know. As I think said, you have to put in the word, don't. Yeah, man, big up the people, them who are subscribe and who are listen to Media Fox every day. Either them a drive or them they home and them a watch MTV and they on YouTube, I play YouTube and I listen to Media Fox. Respect for the support, you see me? But we're going to that clip here and make you know what I go on. You see me? Yeah, man.
Bless up on the say. You see when me tell you no say, Alkaline, I got take with 2026. The overseer talk. Nobody thinks it. The water did in my mouth. Alkaline gone with 2026. And you don't see nothing yet. Massacre album forward into, you know. But Alkaline not done yet. When me say Alkaline, I got take over 2026. Make sure you know listen.
Well, I'm done already, you know, because if Alkaline never released an album this year, nobody wouldn't have give album the energy right now. You understand? Because him had the most anticipated album. And oh, you gotta say that is that Kartel been releasing albums. Massacre release 2023. Alkaline release the last album like 5 years ago. 2021 Alkaline saw. Theme one long due. Massacre go release theme. I remember, you know, Massacre release album like every 3 years. Yeah, basically. Every 3 years him do 2021, 2023, and now 2026. So every 3 years, Alkaline and every 4 years. You see me? I think so. No, not 2023 drop album. Yeah, 2023, yeah. So Alkaline album, everybody been waiting on. But you don't know, once Alkaline drop album, you're going to see a lot of other albums because everybody want to compete with Alkaline. Kartel been dropping album, like 2 albums last year. Nobody don't talk about it. To be honest, imagine, remember, you know, them say Vybz Kartel are the king. Him dropped 2 albums last year. Why nobody don't talk about it? But as Alkaline drop album now, them paying the attention to album. That me I try to show you. Say it's all about the hype and the controversy. You see me? That's what them run with. It's not music, because if I did music, when it come to some of the Gaza people, them them would have talked about Kartel album them. You understand? Yeah. And the latest one before this, it never hit the billboard. You all know the numbers. You see me? But I saw it go. Alka raise the bar for that area. We all know that. You see me?
It not done yet. Alkaline just start. You see me? Yes, no man. And the overseer said that. Remember me tell you no already, and me I tell you no again. Alkaline not done yet. Alkaline targeting the girl them. You can't go wrong when you target the woman them, man. You see me? You can't go wrong when you target the woman them. Alkaline at Tech for 2026. Remember me tell me, I don't know about 2027 yet, but me know that 2026 of the Alkaline.
Well, when the year done, it no matter I want why, because if them fi say artist of the year or whatsoever, you know, then still not gonna get Alkaline. If you go down to a test where Massacre, Alkaline, Vybz, Kartel, you don't know who gonna get it. You understand? So it no matter. It's just the people them were real and know the real thing and see what I want. Cause right now Alkaline have 2 songs burn up the place. Better Body and Girl Good for the summer. You see me? I have the girls them lock right now. You see me? Yeah man. I'm a mash up the thing right now. You see, you have social media world and you know in the dancehall space different from the real world, like outside of that. You see me? Reality. You see me? Yeah. So I just one of them thing there.
This is Somaya, Alkaline sober. Remember me tell you that. But all of the dancehall artists them out there and just go and big up on yourself and just go and do the thing and just make dancehall get big, man. And rise to the top. You see me? Respect to every artist out there. You see me? Yes, no man. Everyone I know. We are livening up the place. Just go and big up on yourself. Data boss, you go with 2026. Me not stop say so. Me say so already. No look for my video before Alkaline even I drop him songs them. Said Alkaline, go with 2026. That was my prediction for this year. And me say it from last year. Say Alkaline, I go take 2026. I don't think I lie. Him not done yet. Go under my nose.
Well, I saw the thing set, you know. You see me? I saw it set. You see it? Yeah, man. So, you know, it's evident. You see me? I'm not really back and forth with that. You see me? Alkaline is the man. I'm in a heavy conversation right now. You see it? So, I just one of them things. But probably your ambassador say.
Oof. When the fans, you know, say, when the media more time I hear when I talk, say, what the front run dancehall and who are on dancehall, you know. So I say, yeah, I hear them, I say. Maybe then shoot some names sometime, like some Vybz Kartel, some Popcorn, some Massacre, the front of the dancehall, and I say, but the man have a sense, front runner, maybe back then, I don't know.
I say, going at the, people are gonna say what they want to say, bro. Like, the internet thing, brother, it's crazy, fam. You understand? Because right now, Alkaline are the most booked artists out of all of them right now. And we are talking about book big shows and headliner right now. You understand? We see it. We see all of the shows them. You see me? If them did really are going with that thing, them would have really get the bookings, them the bag of bookings. You see it? So I just one of them thing there. You can see it. Like if you are really, really run the place, you have a bag of show. You see me?
Here's 3 stats why Alkaline is the front runner of dancehall and why he continue to be front runner of dancehall until they beat this sector. And you can argue me comments, you can argue me if you want, but know my facts. Let me say. Alkaline is the first one. Alkaline is the first dancehall artist to take his News Festival, his show international. There's no other dancehall artist that ever took their show international. We can go numerous countries across Europe, across Caribbean, across all Asia.
Yeah, man, that's true. The only somebody where we see kind of do that after we, but we more do it like globally. You see me, like, you don't know Popcorn from Jamaica. You don't know how we inspire Popcorn as well. Popcorn never da keep on Rolly Fest. You see me? After Alkaline new rules. And you don't know Popcorn been a try follow up Alkaline, so him go keep Unruly Fest. You see me? So we influence him for do that. Then him take him brand from Jamaica and carry go UK. I think at one time. I think, yeah. Him own a show. So after that now, I think keep a Jamaican something with the law and bag of things. So him not to keep it after that at Jamaica. So I don't that's to UK, but Alkaline been Jamaica, Canada, USA, England. So him been a different places. You see me? So yeah, if you're a young youth to do that or dance, because I dance all same way now. New rules representation, yeah. Yo, I tell you people.
Alkaline is the first dancehall artist to take his cultural, his festival, international, as a dancehall artist. Alkaline, secondly, Alkaline is the only genuine businessman in a dancehall. There's no other better businessman in a dancehall than Alkaline. And you can go do some research. There's no other. When it comes to business, Alkaline is the elite. When it comes to business in dancehall. When, if you want me to explain, he's never had an issue with a promoter. And a promoter will go there and attempt to sue Alkaline. He's never had an issue. Never had an issue of showing up. Never had late. Never had an issue. Okay.
Yeah, man, a real talk, man. You see me, Alkaline, him not put no negativity towards him brand. You understand? When it comes to, like, him and promoter, you know, things like suing and all of them little thing there. Him never like, him always turn up for him, show them once he book feet, everything. Him always keep that reputation there, up and gunning. You see me? Yeah, him always do that. People are gonna say, yo, I'm to the prosper and show them. That is just a family thing, you know. CJ and, you know, passway and thing and contracts, you know. A lot of people don't know what going on, but it don't make no sense what you're telling them. I'm gonna say a bag of things and it don't make any sense. Waste your time tell anybody anything. You see me? Yeah, just that. But the youth always protect him brand. Him not make him brand look away, you know. Till, you know, promoter affair send last one them thing there and a bag of thing and not turn up for the show and all of them something. So yeah. I want them thing the people.
And check it, don't check the facts. Thirdly, Alkaline has the best body of work in dancehall in the last decade over every other dancehall artist. The best body of work in the last decade. We can do the stats. We can check it. Alkaline has the best body of work in the last decade over every other dancehall artist one can think of. One can call a name, put a name out there. The massive card, the Vybz, Kartel, the Popcorn, Alkaline body of work in the last decade is better than any one of them. And check it. Check those stats. And that's why Vendetta can talk proudly and boldly that Alkaline is the front runner dancehall and is the man of dancehall. In fact, I mean, look at his new song, Better Body. That's a quality work. That it. I saw you talk about woman and make one feel good, even in Dr. Shabelli. How about doing, man? Alkaline is the front runner dancehall and you can't take that from him. And you can grow and run. Even on a panel, any panel go pan, anywhere, pan TikTok, pan any YouTube, pan anywhere go. If you don't mention Alkaline name, then not sit down. Then realize the conversation not going anywhere. Alkaline is.
Yeah, man, Alkaline is the key man of dancehall. Them have to talk about Alkaline. You see me? Have to talk. For example, Vybz Kartel first show from prison in a national stadium in a Jamaican scene. Like, yo, them have to, like, for something go viral, them have to call the youth name. Spice forward out on a freestyle. Alkaline name she have to call. It go viral. Alkaline did it everywhere. You no matter what happened, I could have hurricane category 5. People are calling him name. Yo, him need to forward out for the people. People are go, him name always a call. I want him not do nothing. Clash a go on. So artists are running and a diss him. And Alkaline said nothing. The youth name always a call. Me I tell you. You see me? Yeah, man, as Alkaline sing the song and say, yo, them talk about him every day, but him not talk about them not one day. You understand? Yeah, him are the key man. Him are the center attention. I see all when Scatter and Footer hype back and forth on a war. And Scatter draw for Alkaline. And I say, yo, Footer Ray this and run him out of yard. And fish, yo, me no know that you name Alkaline powerful. Me I tell you, it's like the man name always a call. And anytime you in an interview you call him name, it'll go viral. Me I tell you that.
The man of dancehall here, no joke the night.
Boy, Gaza fans, me go listen to the Kartel album again. And I the same thing. The album made. And it come like the neighbor sister, the same song, the man voice over all the time. I apply for him with my father, in voice a song that he dropped up 4 months ago. Round and round, I come home, in voice with TG already. Come home, tell her you alone, sit down for the cocky.
Yo, John, what dog? John, bro. So, it's a voiceover thing? Jaja youth.
Come in at the bed when the sun gone down. Tell you what the party when the boy can't down.
Jaja. At the same beat, you see me? It kind of have the same, you know, story thing to it, I guess. You see me? Yo, but don't know that, as me say, the album, it never put together. It's like Vybz Kartel just, alright. the start of the album, God and Time, and the end of the album, Watch Over Me. That's it. Like in the belly of the album, it nah say where they on the cover, you see me?
Bro, are the same thing, the subject matter are the same. There's no introspection, there's no maturity, that's the same thing I tell you about G-Wagon and Range Rover. Like, bro, we don't want to hear about that, dog. You're 50 now, we want to hear mature lyrics so we can relate to as fans. The song them just weak, everything mid, we hear it already. You see me I say? The only song I like on the album, I Watch Over Me, because the only song it sound like him sit down and pre-way me that right and him plan out the song. All of the other songs them we hear them already, are the same subject matter.
Yo, boy, man, I tell you. You see, yo, a lot of people out there will look up to like rate Kartel as a dancer artist and them have high expectation. You see me, if you know say yo put a album name this, you don't know the album I promote. Like big DJ Khaled, Ojak, Records, all of them thing there. Him have Spice I promote, everybody I promote it I help him with it. You understand? Movado, everybody. So a lot of expectation like at this time, I guess we're gonna see if it getting a major hit out of this. You see me? You have Whiskey pan it, you have the Spanish artists, the other rest I think are dancer artists, Shensia, Spice and Skilly Bang. I think, yeah. So make we see what go on.
We're gonna Range Rover and supposed to have front, you're supposed to use the damn thing about now, bro. And the same song them man just repackage and eat back to it. The song with Skilly Bang and New Gears when Vybz already 8 months ago. You see me I said everything just sound the same, recycled. There's no introspection, there's no sitting down, planning out the album and coming with a good body of work. That's not what this is.
Yo, you know what the worst? Yo, when just say a while ago it connecting people. You know say the same thing the man do with the Heart and Soul album, you know. When the lady, when him said the lady link him in a people. And him say him just put together so him just show some song and gear. And it seems like said this basically the same thing. Are the same thing. As the people them say one song Watch Over Me are the only thing we kind of connect to the title. You understand? You see, I tell you, you know, if you name an album so strong, you know, you have to go to the storyline, you know. You have to go to the storyline. You see me? I'ma just feel like let me tell you people, I just feel like say I don't know. When it comes to quality music, I don't really Vybz Kartel that. To be honest. And people just realize what I want. Because, you know, the God and Time, like if me I go do an album named God and Time, people, I often make it fall within that God and Time energy. It often approach you that. God and Time a strong name album, you know, a good name album that's still, you know, a good selection and name that. But when it comes to the story of the album, it often strong like the title, the cover, the name. You understand? But I kind of realize is a brother. It's like the quality. I don't know. From the man forward from prison, we been a seat. You understand? I guess when him the inner prison and him put out some type of music, like when him have like Back to Life or what's it, although I think that song there or something where like that was a sample song still. But like him have some music where you can listen to. You understand? Like any weather, broke pocket now work. You understand? That is a good, yeah. Can go on song. You see me, a good song that. So it's like when him did that prison more, it's like him did more meditate. Can sit down and you know. But now him forward out, him a do this and that, you don't know. I do certain things and him, you know. It's like him not meds that. It's just that not that person with a peak quality. And this album show it up. You see me? But the massive naga really tell the truth because them just there for the clout. Them not really there for the music. You see me?
It's a big dash for song on this.
Vybz Kartel, God and Time album review.
Oh, man, you know all the artists them to the standard, man. The man can just come and do anything. Anything. Pumba clean. Cha-cha. No man, the album should, like I say, the album should have tell the story. The album should have tell the story. Man.
Yo, people, when people talk them things they just fight and yo, let me tell you people, what they don't understand now. Yes, it's the album. But you have to remember, say brother, the title is God and Time. Nobody now expect them type of lyrics and them type of thing in the album. At that, you know. You see me? And a lot of people look up for ear. Remember, you know, them want hear with Vybz Kartel where him go through and all of them little thing there, you know. You understand? I guess that them did I expect, but for him, according to what they say, it is first. Although him release a lot of album as him come out, but this is his first official album. That's what they say, and this is what, you know, the product that is placed on the shelf.
Straight out. Pam pam pam. Man should have some song I talk about from before Alliance days. Yeah. Come up now. The album fair tell the story from day one to present. This album, God and Time, should I tell you the whole time from him just start sing till him get in trouble, till him get out of trouble. So basically, did I climb up, fall down, get up, and reach to the top. That's what the album was supposed to be about, man. When me say Kartel drop a new album, God and Time, I say, yeah. See an album I know when I can listen to. Yeah. See an album I know, Kartel drop an album I know when I can beat out in my car every day. Broski. The man dropped the album named God and Time. Listen to the title track and I say, yeah. And then I be a under girl and be a flossing and be a this and that.
John, imagine the brother say, yeah, the album is ready. Yeah, can put in my car and and say, yeah. Get to find out, say, yo, this man maybe wants something to go and motivate him and something, and the man realize, say, yo, I be here. Tell you, brother, the outside world pre-things different from the world where, the controversy and thing, bro. People out there where we are expecting some Vybz Kartel and a bag of thing, bro. The album is just, and you see because of the social media, bro, or that. It's like when people talk, they must say they must fight Vybz Kartel and everything. But when people talk about other artists and a fight, when you talk about Vybz Kartel, you're a bad mind. Seeing, Ray, this, that. But when you talk about other artists, I'm a bad mind. You understand? But when we realize, you see me, when the time forward.
Girl, and be a flossing and be a this and that. No, man, come on, man. And then, girl, and be a flossing and be a this and that. No, man, come on, man. And then the fans, them are going to say,
well, I just one of them things.
Man, and me lose off of all of them. Where I said the album is so good. It's a great album. No, it's not. No, 90% of the song them. It's the same everything.
And this
Vybz
people, and that look like he's a big man where a man where respect Vybz Kartel, and I look for things more, in line, and him just disappointed. But I guess them just realize who Vybz Kartel is and the type of music and the quality music. And you see me, he's not conceptual when it comes to album releases. Him don't know how to put an album together. If a man take 2 hours and just fling in an album, bro, you know why you nothing more. You understand? And when you talk now, them are gonna say, yo, when it comes to Vybz Kartel, everybody have something to say. Bro, Vybz Kartel is an artist. You understand? Everybody get criticized who are artists in a dancehall. But when it comes to Kartel, they make it seem like they bring down and all of them things there. You see me? When things can just correct and expectations. You see me? But people, it's a do or a do, At the end of the day, bygones be bygones. Dancehall will still be here. You understand? But people, big up on yourself. When you don't know one media fox pan man. You see me? Big up. That is it.